Homework 7, question 5, higher maths. I've been given y is equal to 5x cubed minus x squared plus 2 all over x cubed, and I've defined dy by dx. Okay, so this is a differentiation question that I'm going to look at, but looking at what I'm given, I can't differentiate in that form. I'm going to have to prepare that. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is, with the fraction, I'm going to split it across what I've got on the numerator. So I've got 5x cubed, and that's going to be all over x cubed. I've got minus x squared all over x cubed, and I've got plus 2 all over x cubed. Okay, so what I can do then is I can simplify that down to put it into a form that I can differentiate. So I've got x cubed on the bottom, x cubed on the top, divide top and bottom by x cubed will leave me with 5. Okay, here I can use my indices work. I've got x to the power of 2, and I'm going to divide it by x to the power of 3. So for indices, I'd subtract that. And same with this one here. So I've got 2, and remember 2 would be just looking like x to the power of 0, because x to the power of 0 is 1, and I will take away the 3 from there. So let's write that out, and I've got x to the minus 1 and plus 2x to the minus 3. Okay, so that's in a form where I can differentiate it. So I've not differentiated yet. All I've done is I've prepared the work, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So dy by dx is going to be equal to, so 5, a number, will go to 0 when we differentiate it. I've got minus 1 and a minus 1 at the front here, so that will give me a positive 1, and that would be x, and I'm going to take the power away from that, so that's going to give me a minus 2. I've then got minus 3 times 2, which will give me a minus 6, and that's going to be x, take 1 away from the power, and that will give me a minus 4. Okay, so the answer that I would be looking for will be x to the minus 2 minus 6x to the minus 4. If I was asked to write it with positive indices, what I would write it as, I would take the x to the minus 2 to the bottom, to the denominator, and just make that squared. And same with this one, leaving the 6 there, because the only part that's associated with the minus 4 is the x. That would be all over x to the power of 4. And that would be the solution. That would be it complete. Right, so marks here, what I'd be looking for is, it's a 3-mark question. I'd be looking for 1 mark for splitting out the fraction here. So that would be 1 mark. I would be looking for my next mark to come along when I prepare it completely. So this would be my next mark here. And finally, the mark that I'd be looking for would be here. I didn't ask for it to be with positive powers, so that's going to be my solution. So this one here is going to be marked out of 3.